Hello viewers and welcome once again to Samuel Mwenda channel, and today we are going to make a sisal skirt. Welcome.
This is how we are going to make a sisal skirt. First of all, you need a string. That's a sisal string. Remember that I have made a video showing how to twist sisal fiber into a string. Therefore, the strings that we twisted are the ones that we are going to use in this video. Look at that string. Remember, the sisal skirt is tied around your waist when you are dancing and singing folk songs and folk dances. The string that we already have will be tied around our waists. And before that, we are going to make that sisal skirt. You can see there we are making progress by tying a knot on that string. You use a bunch of sisal fiber. I have made another video about how to extract sisal fiber from sisal leaves. You can see we are making progress there. Another bunch of sisal fiber. Tie a knot around the string. You continue tying the knot until we fill that string with sisal fiber. And remember, the hand that you are tying around that string is the hand which has more sisal fiber. The other hand has few, and it is narrow. The one that you tie on that string is broader. It is thicker. Tie another knot there. We have completed adding sisal fiber, and because this sisal skirt is bigger than myself, I'm going to trim the excess fiber so that I will remain with my size. Therefore, trim the excess sisal fiber using a pair of scissors. You can see there trimming, and you need to trim uniformly so that you'll be having a sisal fiber of equal length. Trim down. Trim the excess sisal fiber so that you remain with the skirt of your size. Continue trimming until you have cut all the excess sisal fiber. And that is it. You have our sisal skirt there. Straighten once again using the comb. I have to tie it around my waist. You can see that it fits me very well, and That is myself dancing to the tune of a folk song. And you see the way the skirt is moving. We have made a very nice size of skirt there.